Welcome to the cooler report. I'm go ahead and introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is beverage coolers, single door units. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about like a 24.5 inches wide. And the depth is about 23 inches. And the height will be about like a 78 inches tall total. So as we can see the units front, they have a LED board banner on top of the units and the glass doors. And looking down the units, you will see they have a controllers and the switchers, and they have a front one. They mounted the compressor at the bottoms. So when we're looking the inside of the units, this is swing door units. When we opened it, we can see they have a big air circling fan on top of it. And they do have a sanitation sticker on the side of the units. They come in with the ETL and diagrams and all the cut sheets information, also the serial number. So let's take a measurement for the racks. This rack about like a 17 inches deep. Inner side of the units will be about like a 21 inches wide. And the overall height is about like a 51.5 inches tall. And the units inside, they come in with LED light strip on this side. And also they have a power plugs on the behind of the units. They're using standard 110 plugs. So this is all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.